in downtown LA on the roof. So we're on top of a smoke shop. There's water dripping from the plenum on the supply and return. It's dripping out of the system, so it could be a clog condensate, could be something else. So let's get this thing open, see what's going on. So here we go. Well, she's definitely full of water. Well, we gotta see why this coil isn't draining. So we shall see. Well, I think the condensate line's clogged. Of course I broke it. It's alright. I got extra. We're going to go ahead and try to clear this out. So the condensate line's clogged, so check this out. We got that system. So we got two systems on one line. So we're going to have to clear this whole thing out. See if we got power up here. Probably not. Alright, well, we're going to go grab some nitrogen and some PVC connectors and get this all cleaned out. So here we go. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this off and put a new one on since I broke it. And then we'll put this one back on. Basically, we're going to clear through here. We're going to clear through there, and then we're going to clear that system too, just so it doesn't have the same problem. Preventive measure. But yeah, looks like it's just clogged up, because the moment I pulled this off, all the water just came pouring out. So this guy's probably right here in the trap. So we got our little drain cat. So this is made by Diversitech. Love it. It holds a little bit of nitrogen. You can use your big tanks to fill it up in your truck. I just got it all filled up. I'm going to blow some nitrogen through there, because this one's got like a little channel, so sometimes that can get clogged. Obviously it's not, but we're going to do it anyway, and we'll probably do the same for the other system because it's on the same line. And I might actually just do the other two systems too, just so I don't have to come back. So anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get this all cleared out, and then we'll fix this and put a new MIP on there. Yeah. So, oh yeah, see, there's some stuff in there. This whole thing's full of mud. Nasty. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys this. Shoot, I don't know if you can see that, but it's just... yeah. Chunks. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this all cleaned out, and I bet you it's all like that through the whole thing, so good times. There you go. Alright, we're on the other system here, so we're going to clean this one out too. There's no T on this one, so I'm just going to use one as a coupling. This one's not so bad. Yeah, we got water. Alright, cool. So we're going to go ahead and just glue this T on real quick. There we go. We're going to go clear the other section too. And we're going to re-clear the other one because I probably blew a bunch of crap into that, but it's all disconnected already. Alrighty then. So we're gonna go ahead and put a new MIP on there. I think I have one. Yep. I can't see anything up here. Alright, here we go. We're gonna put a little bit of this on here. Just make sure it's not leaking. That's all there is to it. So we cut it right there, we cut it over there, clean that out, and we blew it all clean straight all the way through. So if I had a ton of PVC on my truck, I probably would have just split these into 2 independent lines, but unfortunately we got to work with what I got. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back together, turn it on. I'm gonna let the tenant know that it's going to take some time for those plenums to get drained out. So they'll leave their buckets under there, but it should clear up on its own. So clean your drain lines, because sometimes it can just be a big old problem. And yeah, you could see the 2 supply plenums. I mean, they were just dripping water like crazy. So these Bryant systems, they got these little catches all around the side. So what happens is it catches some of the water, but then eventually it starts to spill over. And then this is the return side. The supply has the same thing, so that's pretty much what was going on. And I just love this filter rack right here. So yeah, so that's all she wrote. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification. When you comment, make sure you let me know what a horrible technician I am, or you can always tell me how awesome I am. I like that too. But either way, we're all learning from it, so have a good one. So one of the things you do when you're working in downtown LA, bike chain, or you can tie up your ladder so nobody steals it. It has happened to me before. Secure your ladders and lock your shit up, because it sucks to get stuck on a roof on a 90-degree day. So just a little tip and trick for you.